Hi, Mr. Cappert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to model the motors for the drone. They're very simple. You're going to want to create a sketch, choose a plane, enter C for circle, that's the shortcut, or if you keep forgetting that, you can always go circle. And see how I had a C next to it. Circle, it's 6 millimeters. Boom. I had to put the units because, as always, I forgot to change them here. It defaults to inches. You want to change this to millimeters. You could set that as the default. Up to you. Most our projects we switch between the two units. Alright, 6 millimeters is the diameter. You want to stop the sketch and extrude. I'm going to leave it up to you to measure the length of the body of the motor. Boom. And then really you only need one more sketch. A much smaller circle here. You figure out what the diameter is. Use calipers. Stop the sketch. Hit E for extrude. Choose that circle you just drew. And then make sure you measure out and do the correct distance. Hit enter. So that should have been pretty simple, but remember, you can't just copy the dimensions I just used. Those were made up other than the 6 millimeters. That was correct. The other ones, I just randomly put whatever I felt like. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.